True privacy online isn't just about the tools. It's a holistic strategy. It's about your habits and knowing what you're exposing when you interact online. The only way to achieve true anonymity is to understand how these tools actually work and where they fall short. Using the wrong tool is like locking your front door but leaving your windows wide open. Let's discuss various tools designed to enhance online anonymity. When we talk about online privacy, three tools often come up: Tor, VPNs, and proxies. Many people believe they offer complete invisibility, but the truth is, they don't. The most crucial takeaway is that while these tools enhance privacy, they do not guarantee total anonymity. Tor is all about maximum anonymity. Your traffic is routed through multiple volunteer-run relays, each peeling away a layer of encryption, like layers of an onion. No single relay ever knows the full path from you to your destination. This makes it incredibly hard to trace. But it's not perfect. Tor can be slow, and logging into personal accounts can reveal your identity. It's best for high-risk situations like journalists or whistleblowers.
Think of a VPN as your own private tunnel on the internet. Everything you send through it is scrambled.
A VPN creates an encrypted tunnel between your device and the internet. Your traffic goes through this tunnel to a VPN server, which swaps your IP for its own before sending your data out. This keeps your internet provider from seeing your activity. But you have to trust the VPN provider. They could log your data. And while your content is encrypted, your metadata, like timing and traffic size, can still be visible.
Proxies hide your IP, but don't guarantee full privacy.
Proxy works like a middleman. You send a request to the proxy, it sends it to the website, then sends the response back to you, masking your IP address in the process. But most proxies don't encrypt your traffic, so unless the site uses HTTPS, your data is exposed. They also often work only for specific apps, like your browser. And with free proxies, there's always the risk your activity is being logged or sold. Using the wrong privacy tool is like locking your front door, but leaving your windows wide open. Sure, it might look secure from the outside, but a determined attacker will still find a way in. The right tool depends on your goal: anonymity, privacy, or simple IP masking. And using the wrong one can give you a false sense of safety. True online privacy isn't just about the tools, it's a holistic strategy. It's about combining the right technology with smart habits and awareness of what you're exposing when you interact online. The only way to achieve true anonymity is to understand how each tool works, where it excels, and where it falls short. Ultimately, online privacy isn't about using any tool, but using the right one for the specific task. Tor is best for maximum anonymity, like for journalists or whistleblowers, even though it's slower. VPNs are ideal for general privacy and safe browsing, provided you trust the provider. And proxies are only suitable for simple IP masking.